Hi there! Lastly, in my Hogwarts houses series, we have Gryffindor, which is a little bit counterintuitive because it's the most popular house because it's Harry's house. I don't know why I left it last, but anyways, here's the look that I did, inspired by the Gryffindor badge, which is red and gold. Actually, it's scarlet and gold. I think scarlet is like a dark red. I'm not sure. This is the look that I came up with. I did this graphic liner shaped like a flame, I guess because Gryffindor's element is fire. Enough talking, let's get into the tutorial. As my base today, I'm going to use the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer, the primer potion. I feel like it will work better with the technique that I want to use instead of using concealer like I usually do. Then I'm gonna take my gold shade. I'm going to use the Warrior palette by Juvia's Place. I always reach for this one when it comes to golds because it has plenty of them. I will use this shade today. But what I want to do first, to create a more metallic look to the shade, I want to wet my brush with a bit of setting spray. So I'm going to use a flat eyeshadow brush and a setting spray. I have this one from NYX Cosmetics. I'm just gonna spray it a bit and then dip into the shade. And that will create almost like a Catrice shape. And I'm trying to do that kind of a flame shape in my outer corner. So I will use this gold to do that. I'm going to have to re-wet my brush in the process. Oh, let's see. This is the part that I'm most nervous about. I'm gonna make this one a little bit longer. And when I'm going to add the red, it's going to be a lot more defined. But this is just an initial shape. For the outline, I'm going to use a red lipstick. My favorite is the Sephora Collection Lip Stain 01. I'm using a thin painting brush. This is literally from an art store. It's not a makeup brush. And let's pray for the best because this is the hardest part. I need to stop breathing while I do this. And I'm gonna need to add a second layer to intensify this a bit. I'm gonna continue doing my base with no foundation for the moment. It's just what I enjoy doing lately. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit of concealer underneath my eyes, concentrating it in the inner portion of my under eye, and also I'll apply a little bit of that on my nose and around my nose. And this for me creates the perfect amount of balance of colors in my face. Yeah, it kind of balances my skin tone. And it's quick and also effortless since I just use my finger. I'm not even reaching for a sponge or a brush. Then I'm gonna need to set this. So I'm gonna reach for my RCMA No Color powder. I'm gonna use an eyeshadow blending brush. Coat my brush into the powder, tap off the excess just to make sure that it's evenly coated into the product. Making sure there are no creases before I set. And then stamp the powder on my under eye. I'm actually bringing it down a little bit, so I'm setting my pores area to blur them, to smooth them out. I'm gonna use a bit of my new favorite bronzer, the Sun Lover from Catrice. I love this one because it has the perfect amount of warmth in it, and it also has a little bit of shimmer, which I'm absolutely obsessed with. I will also kind of bring it up, so I'm gonna start here from the top of my ear, but then I'm going to blend it upwards because I don't think I'm going to apply blush today. So it's just gonna be this one shade. So fading it like that. I absolutely love this product and it's so affordable too. I'm gonna move on to my lower lash line. I want to do it red. I'm gonna start by lining my waterline with this Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in the shade 708. This is a reddish brown, so it's not fully red. Well, it does look really red on my waterline, so whatever. I'll take that back. I'm gonna bring it down a little bit in between my lashes. And I'm gonna use this little small brush to apply the red. I'm gonna take my Nikki Tutorials palette because it has this true red here. I'm gonna really tap off the excess from my brush because I don't want it falling on my face. I'm gonna carefully stamp that all over my lower lash line. And as a last step in my eyeshadow, I'm going to highlight my inner corner with some gold. I think I'm going to pick up this lighter one from the Warrior. It's the Warrior palette. I always forget the difference between the Warrior and the Warrior 2. The Warrior 2 is the all matte one, and the Warrior is a shimmery one. Okay, I'm gonna just stamp it here and fade it into the lower lash line. I'm gonna apply a little bit of mascara, but as usual, it gets so repetitive, but I'm curling my lashes, obviously. And I'm using this new Revolution 5D Lash Pow mascara. It's a little bit more on the voluminous side, so it provides quite a bit of volume. And I really need volume in my lashes right now because these are some really light colors, so my lash line is not really that defined. I'm gonna use it on my lower lashes as well, even though the brush is huge. You gotta be careful not to make a mess on the lower lash line with this kind of a brush. I'm actually gonna do my lips now, before doing my other eye. I'm usually filming half of my face for Instagram, but it's always hard with the lips because I can either film them for Instagram or for YouTube. I mean, I would have to wipe off my lipstick and then film for Instagram as well. But is that worth it though? I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna line with the same Makeup Forever pencil. This is a universal pencil. It's neither an eye or lip pencil. It's you can use it for whatever you want. I mean, it's both an eye and a lip pencil. Can it be used for something else? I mean, if you want to use it on your brows, I guess that's possible. If you want red brows, I guess. I'm gonna fill in the sides. I'm gonna use my Estee Lauder lipstick in the shade Tempt Me. It fits perfectly with this pencil. There's a huge chance I just ruined my backlight. I'll try to fix it though. If not, it's fine. It's fine. Anyways, this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching today's video. That concludes my Hogwarts houses series. I did all 4. If you haven't seen them, they're on my channel already. I hope you're having the most beautiful day ever, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!